Okay, Mom.
We did an initial provisioning run, and we still have everything that was in the car to put away.
This is what it looks like.
We might
moving a board
we might have overpacked.
to be a liveaboard.
Carpet's being installed, countertops are being installed, everything's torn up. And
So
we're
it's a
moving it.
construction zone and a load-in.
Yeah, we tried to avoid this, but we were not successful.
It is what it is.
Hi, we're the Boomershines, a family of 4 who have moved aboard a 56-foot motor yacht to do the great American loop and beyond. Meet Captain Mark. I'm Admiral Cinda, this is First Mate Belle and Bosun Rex. And we can't forget the ship kitties Angie and JoJo. Welcome aboard as we share our travels and triumphs, trials and tribulations, tips and tricks for life aboard SeaSHINE.
Thank you for joining us. In the last episode, the intrepid crew of SeaSHINE said goodbye to land life. In this episode, we witnessed the crew frantically refit their vessel a mere 1 week before throwing the lines to begin their epic Great Loop adventure. Will they complete the makeover in time? Let's see.
Let's. Come on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love the carpet.
Do you love it? Hello! This looks so good.
It does. It does.
So much
Oh, you're very welcome.
Oh, I
You're very
love
welcome.
angel.
My pleasure working with you guys.
This looks great.
I love the choice. I love the color choice and everything.
Good.
It's really nice. Yeah, definitely.
Good. You know, you never know.
Before you call us crazy for attempting a 1-week makeover on a boat this size, let me give you a little history. For 9 years, I was an interior designer on a television show where we did ambush makeovers. So I have some good experience in this area. That said, this was my first yacht refit, and it was a bit more complicated than I anticipated.
Yeah, until you see it in person. Yeah, that's for sure.
Well, and then you have an 8-year-old boy. You need some forgiving.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, we're quarantined in the VIP so that they don't escape.
Set.
Yeah. Here comes Angie first.
Yeah. Grandma's out now.
Guys, this is your new home. Well, this is like the room you probably will spend the least amount of time in, but this is where you are right now.
Angie's like, get out. I need to go poo.
What do you think, Miss Angie? Wait till we do a renovation. You'll like it even more. Hey, we're moving in. Your iPad's here somewhere. Okay, so you wanted a cute room. I wanted a room that you would be able to make your bed. So we're giving Betty's a try. Will you make your bed every day?
Yes. Maybe.
Rex, you ready to make your bed cool?
Maybe.
Do you think we can make your bedroom cool and your bed easy to make? Because this is not easy to make.
Nope.
Well, if we do that, will you make your bed every day?
Nope.
Yes!
Nope.
First night living on a boat.
We don't have water. We might not have water. The boat is disheveled because we have new carpet, but it's
Half
like
new carpet.
we're living in a construction zone in 50 feet. But it's good. It's good to be on board. When do we officially start the loop?
When we throw off this dock, but we've moved on to the boat.
We have moved out of the house. We are moving on to the boat. That's what we're celebrating tonight.
We're out of the house. Okay, the girls are roaming.
The cats are free.
The cats have been let free in the boat.
Now nobody goes outside.
No one go outside. Let them.
Please, Angie's looking at my room.
I love it.
Oh.
See, she recognizes your smells.
Oh, she went down here.
Jomo, you gotta show her where her blanket is.
I will. But I gotta get
How do you like your beddies?
lots.
Tell me about it.
It's great. It's greater and it's the greatest.
Rex, how do you like sleeping?
Oh, huge bed.
How do you like sleeping in your new room?
Huge bed. Humongous. Humondago. Oh, this luxury.
How do you like sleeping in your new room?
It's awesome.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited to live on a boat for a year? Pretty cool boat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for being so brave, honey bunny. What do you think? What do you think? You're like, I'm not so sure. There's boxes. Okay, I'm gonna go check out down there. Week 1 of our first week of living full-time on the boat is about to begin. And let me show you what we gotta do this week. Woo! Okay.
Oh, excuse me. You're not allowed outside yet.
Oh, neither are you. Hi, meet Angie and JoJo. So, we had hoped to have all the carpet installed by the time we got here, but they're still installing it. So they'll be back tomorrow to finish the stairs, finish this area. Only half of it is done. And then we can get all this settled in. Oh, hi. Don't go out that door. Hi. Hi. New countertops come on Tuesday, and then we can replumb everything. This has been torn up. New backsplash will go in this week. New fixtures, hopefully new hardware. Yeah, and once all that's done and everything's put away, we will set sail. We got a little ways to go. What do you guys think?
What do you guys think about the new boat? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah?
Where are you, Mark?
I'm in the kiddie room, the girls' room.
The girls have their own room. You're sitting on the toilet.
The girls had. No, we could just train her to go in the holding tank.
Look, she's just sitting on the toilet. Okay, so food, all their stuff. Like, here, back out so I can see where we're.
Yeah, this is why.
So
one of the big
there's-
reasons for this boat.
Look, all their stuff. We can put their harnesses.
They have a leash.
Oh, their kitty carriers can be in here.
How late were you up?
To
Why?
how early I was at.
Why?
Nesting and
Were you too excited to sleep? Hey, what you doing?
I'm changing the sea strainers.
Are you cleaning them?
Cleaning.
What do you got in there?
These filter the water for the air conditioner, and I've got a dirty one and a little piece of jellyfish on there. Sucks in the jellyfish.
That's jellyfish too right there?
Yep. Looks like a tentacle.
Okay,
So
they're
we'll
not
clean
too bad.
these. No, that's not bad after a month. Now in July, they'd probably be quite crusty with barnacles.
What are we doing?
Farmer's market.
We're walking to the farmer's
Exploring.
market. Okay, so that's the boat we cut our teeth on. Well, that's what we learned
This one right here.
and spent our most time on. Right there.
Yep.
Now we're in a bigger boat. Woo!
Is the caffeine in the white sweet tea part or just the caffeine?
I know, we're gonna get some of that. Look at those croissant sandwiches. Yeah. Okay, somewhere over there is SeaSHINE. Then right over here. Yeah.
Cat.
Hey, look at me. What are you doing? Cleaning the top of the boat? It's gonna be really slippery, careful.
Wait, what'd you just say, Mark?
I'm a pig in poop.
Are you happy?
I've been swabbing the deck for 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna have a
LaCroix. It's hot out here. I've been unpacking all the boxes in there. I mean, it still looks like a disaster though. See, you've been cleaning the tender too?
cute little tender.
It's a cute little tender. I like it. What you got there?
Our burgee.
We had to get a flagpole for it. I like the
I had to
teeth.
kind of make it.
Yeah, and a whole day of you buffing out the outside and me working on the inside.
The outside looks better than the inside.
Yeah, well, I mean, go check out their rooms. They're nested in their rooms.
Oh wow, I can walk through the hall.
I know, you can walk through the hall. This is looking better. So these baskets are everybody's office. So homeschool, office. I think it's gonna work, right?
Yeah, this feels much better.
And the kids are all nested in. We gotta do some decor stuff, but look, he's got all his toys, like knick-knack toys,
Did you do that,
books.
or-
Oh, I did.
Oh,
it all.
nice.
Books,
All that is clothes. Behind you is toys.
And his beddies.
And his beddies
So
I'm
he
working
just
on.
zips himself in?
He's got tons of closet space, plenty of room for his Nerf gun and his metal detector. Soon-to-be bags are going there because, yeah. Anyway.
So I sprayed boat cleaner, which is basically bleach, into the wind and it blew back on me. Kids go, why is Dad, your beard is orange.
It is definitely orange. Give me a close up. What you doing, Mark?
I'm actually perched. I'm actually afraid of falling. Height on their boat.
You're hanging over trying to avoid the tack strip for the carpet, which isn't done, and hanging the hardware for the new blinds. Well done, love. Yeah, we got a little privacy now. Okay. I think these girls seem comfortable and at home. Okay, so this is the only water you like now, apparently. Check her out. She's a beauty. Hello, SeaSHINE. That handsome captain coming. Good morning, boys. Are you ready to start homeschool today? Why, yes. I'm ready for Bella to do her first day of homeschool. Is Belle ready to do her first day of homeschool? Okay, it's Tuesday morning. We've made a lot of progress. We still got a ways to go. Carpet man didn't show up yesterday to finish the install. Hopefully he's coming today. Hopefully countertops are coming today. Hopefully we'll finalize the decal, the sticker for the back that says SeaSHINE today, and that'll get installed Thursday. We'll put in new plumbing as soon as we get the counters installed. These kids are being real troopers with homeschool. We still got stuff everywhere, but we're making progress. Let me show you what Mark's working on right now. What were you up all night doing?
Last night's project?
What was last night's project?
Midnight project.
Oh, check it out. That is adorable. Nice job, Dad. This is removable, but it's wet and stick, not peel and stick.
Yep.
And how do you like it in comparison?
I like it better because you can
It's easier to work with?
yeah. You have to learn to book the paper. I learned that last night. Booking the paper, spraying it, and letting it cure for a little bit.
Look how cute that is. What you working on, Mark? Tell us what you're working on.
Our boarding ladder mount.
Okay, so we've got this boarding ladder down here that the previous owner just strapped to the swim platform, but that was not great. So Mark's trying to rig some sort of mount.
This is a kayak surfboard mount
that you're gonna modify.
swing in. It's too long, but I'm thinking if I cut this and just splice the two pipes together, then it'll sit right here. It's not that wide. I mean, it's that.
So we'll have to scoot by when it's here, but it'll be better storage.
Yeah. Cat.
I know. This is her first time out. Let's see what happens. What do you think, Angie? Don't jump off, okay? That's the one area. Hold on, Dad. You're in my way. Shut the door so I just have one. Okay, so we're installing this netting. We're going to get it anchored down so that kids and cats don't just fall through. I mean, they can obviously get through. What do you think about all this? What do you think? Okay, let's go back.
You want to explore, Jojo? You want to see what the bow of the boat is like? Come on.
Or not.
Oh, there she is. Hi. Hi. What do you think?
Oh, Georgie, Mom, please don't do that.
She's not going to jump off. She's just looking.
I'm scared.
She's just looking.
That's awesome. Ship kitty.
We're taking a tiki cruise because they are repairing the dock. Lucky for us, today is the day that the marina decided to repair a section of dock that connects land to all the boats, including SeaSHINE. So anything that we want to get to or from our boat has to first ride on this tiki barge. That includes our very heavy marble countertops. I mean, nobody else in your class is riding on a tiki bar boat this morning.
Oh, I thought the whole. Okay. See that? One hand, Mom.
You're so strong.
All the way.
Bless you, babe.
All right. No, you go all the way up.
Okay.
And then look at this hole. It comes straight down and you put this to the very top hole.
Okay.
Then you flip it over here.
Okay.
And you lower it, attach it to that, lift
And these are labeled.
Yeah, they're labeled front, forward port, and aft
Okay.
port. and
Four
starboard.
port. Aft,
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me. You just spin it around. You get it up as high as it'll go here, and put a piece of cloth there. You can see where it hits. Yeah, put a towel right here where it hits on the side, and then you just spin it around. Just lower it.
And you just push
Yeah,
it.
yeah, just push it around. It's easy. Just swivels right around.
Easy.
Yeah. And
It's
then
easy, Mark.
when you put it back on, of course, you have the bow of the whaler to the
That
side
way.
of the boat.
Yep.
So when it comes around, it'll be just like that.
Yep. Okay.
Easy peasy.
Okay, there's Countertop. But we have to put it on the ferry and get it to the boat. All right, we got Anton, a countertop. We're going over on the boat. There's the boat. All right, there we go. Thanks for waiting.
Okay. Are our countertops on the tiki boat? I don't know. Looks like they could be. They're redoing the dock there, so he's got to unload it, carry it down the rest of this dock off that boat, and then to our dock. Here come our countertops. Hi, Mark! Hey, you got some countertops there?
You ordered some countertops?
I did! On a boat.
Reno countertop. Made to order. Oh yeah.
Okay, out come the countertops. See ya, old countertops. Start gentle. Yeah, buddy. Okay, that's good. So then I gotta get the sink off, but it's glued on.
Yeah, that we
Okay, look. So that's the original old countertop. Probably was a laminate
Laminate
with an
with a
80s
detail.
Pretty awesome. Yippee skippy! Ooh, that's gonna look so fresh!
So it's gonna lighten the place up.
Oh, don't you think? Holy, what is that?
It's the dust from when they cut the hole. Yeah.
That is dust.
You need to empty that bag.
Yep.
Well, my dear friends, it was at this moment the crew of SeaSHINE realized there was some miscommunication about the countertop fabrication. This piece had to go back to the shop. Will their departure for the Great Loop be delayed? It looks like we'll have to wait until the next episode to find out. Until then, remember to like and subscribe. And as always, shine on.